Hi friends, welcome to our channel. We all knew that salt is one of the main elements which is added to many foods to enhance the flavor. But too much salt is linked to high blood pressure and many more health issues. So in this video we are going to know what can be used as a substitute for salt. Eating a low salt diet is an important way to take care of your heart. Most of the people eat about 3,400 milligrams of salt a day, as per a research. Most healthy people should have not more than 2,300 milligrams of salt a day. People over 51 and those who have high blood pressure may need to limit salt to 1,500 milligrams a day or less. To get down to a healthy level, we need to trim the excess of salt from our diet. Avoid eating processed foods which can be used for dinner preparation, as this is an easy process to prepare dinner, but these contains 75% of the salt in the diet. These may include like packaged rice dishes, soups, prepared mixes, canned foods and etc. If we use prepared foods, the salt content should be limited. Buying products which are labeled low salt or no salt added, even checking the nutrition labels of cereals, bread, and prepared mixes, use frozen or fresh vegetables in the place of canned vegetables, avoid cured meats like ham, bacon, pickles, olives, and other food prepared in salt. Choose unsalted brands of nuts and trail mix. Also, we can use small amounts of condiments like ketchup, mustard, and soya sauce. Even the low salt versions are often high in sodium. Try to bring on the fresh produced fruits and vegetables, which are great source of flavor and nutrition. Plant-based foods like carrots, spinach, apples, peaches are naturally low in sodium. Sun-dried tomatoes, dried mushrooms, cranberries, cherries, and other dried fruits are bursting with flavor. We can use them in salads and other dishes to add zest instead of using salt. So, guys, try some salt free cooking and explore cooking with salt substitutes. So, these are the benefits of using substitutes instead of salt. Thanks for watching our video and please don't forget to subscribe our channel.